Hey guys, Callie Fab here, and today more unboxings are gonna happen. We have the Allure Beauty Box and we have Sephora Play. So I'm gonna start with Sephora Play. Like I said, you guys know that I already opened these. I have canceled Sephora Play. I'm pretty sure I canceled Allure as well. Sephora Play is $10.60 a month because we have a 6% tax here in Michigan. And Allure Beauty Box is $15 a month. I have no idea if it's like 15 something. I can't quite remember. So let's unbox these really quickly. I just want to keep my unboxings videos kind of shorter because I don't review these products. I do have a lot of them, so we're just gonna go with it. So I do like the fact that they put in this cute little thing, which by the way, we did not get the 50-point card anymore. I'm not sure if that's going to be a thing for this year, considering that it's January, but it does have all the products on the back. And yeah, just so you guys know, I am a Cancer. I'm born July 1st, and I am a water sign, so if you were curious. So we got a fragrance in here. We got the Philosophy Amazing Grace fragrance Eau de Toilette, and it is like a little pamphlet thing. I don't know that I've tried this one yet, but it does not have the spray top, so I will be emptying that into one of my Sephora ones. I like to do that because I like the sprayer. I don't like the dabber, so okay. Something that we've definitely gotten before, but I'm not mad about. This one is the Belief the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. I don't love this one as much as I love the Aqua Bomb. The Aqua Bomb I can definitely use year round, and I like products that I can use year round. This one is much thicker, so I typically only use this style in the winter time when my skin is exceptionally dry. But yeah, I'm not mad about getting this one. Okay, and then something we've gotten many times. I think I have like 3 of these in my drawer. Once again, I'm not mad about, but it's like, could you give me something else, please? Okay, so this is the Smashbox, the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. This is a very silicone-y style primer. A lot of people don't like this, but a lot of people do. I am one that I really like these types of primers. They really sit well underneath my skin, or on top of my skin under my foundation. They make my skin look really good. So I'm not mad about this, and this little sample will last a hot minute for me. So I like this kind of stuff, but I didn't need another one. Then I swear we've gotten this 3 times before. I still haven't tried it out, but when I do, I will decide if it's something that I want in my collection or not. Okay, this is the Tarte Found Sealer Multitasking Foundation. I'm just saying, I've literally gotten 3 of these smaller sample sizes. I got mine in 22B. Yes, 22B light beige. This expires November of 2020. That's really cool. That literally gives you 0 time to try this out. I mean, it does, but like if you're one that's afraid to open things after or before you finish other things up. All right, I just wanted to test out the color. It's a little yellow and it's a little dark. So this will have to be into spring or summertime. It does look like a really nice coverage, but I have not tried this out yet, so I will definitely do that and let you guys know. Then I have a face mask I actually just bought. Can't find it. It's a set of Glam Glow face masks from Marshalls, and this is the Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment, and I believe this is a mask, right? Yes. Leave on for 5 to 20 minutes. Hello, which one? So it is really small. I know that these little sizes you can definitely get a couple uses out of, so I'm not mad about this either, but we've definitely gotten stuff like this before. Final kind of boring thing in here, but once again, I'm not mad about it. It is from Kat Von D. It's the Tattoo Liner, the waterproof liquid liner in Trooper Black. So, I mean, I'm not mad about it, but I can definitely roll with it. And it does look like a brush tip liner. So I've only recently liked the Lorac brush tip liner, so I'm not totally into them yet, but this just adds another number to my collection, which I'm trying not to do that so much this year. We'll see. But that was everything in there. Wasn't that such a boring box? Like, I don't know. I've definitely had better boxes than that, and that was quite underwhelming, to say the least. Okay, then let's go to the Allure Beauty Box. I know a lot of people don't get these or care about these, but I actually quite enjoy this one. So it does have a little pamphlet with everything in it, and it comes nicely wrapped, kind of like the Birchbox if you guys are familiar with that one. So this one is a lot more products, and they're usually a bit bigger than like Sephora or Ipsy, like the original Ipsy, like the smaller sample one. So let's see, we have the Kate Somerville Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. I did just use one of these up at the end of the year last year, and I love it. So definitely going in my skincare collection. Then we have a Nature Lab Tokyo Perfect Shine Oil Mist, color and heat protectant, paraben free. I'm not loving the oil mist that I have now that I got from Birchbox. No. I got it from BoxyCharm in December. It was like that beach wave spray or something. I don't know. I don't love that one. It's not doing great things for my hair, but I will definitely try this one out. Maybe it's like my Eva NYC May Magic 10-in-1 primer. If it is, that will be great. Okay, and then a brand I've never heard of before. This is called the Vita Brid C12 Dual Drop Serum, Age Defying and Deep Hydration. I am not quite sure about that, but I did just use up my rosehip oil, my container that I was using like all year last year. So, ooh, maybe I will put this in my, I'll just put it right over here right now just so I can test it out. It does look quite interesting. It says it should reduce signs of aging and brighten skin tone while providing deep hydration, which is definitely what I need right now in the winter time. So I'm just gonna put this in my collection. Right now, it does say it expires September of 2022. So thank you for giving us a product that doesn't expire immediately. Okay, and then we got something from Akar Skin. I've never heard of this brand either. It looks like it is a cruelty-free, natural, organic, wild harvested brand, or product at least. Let's see, it's a pure lip restoration. Well, I would hope it would be quite a bit more natural if it's for your lips, right? Because you're gonna eat some of it. Ooh, it actually looks super, super nice. I'm not totally into these potted style ones, but I am definitely willing to test it out and see if it works. If it does, more power to it. But so far, I am thinking I'm just gonna leave it in the box for right now, just because. Okay, 2 more items we got from Philosophy, the Renewed Hope in a Jar Water Cream. Hyaluronic Glow Moisturizer. Interesting. I don't think I've heard of the water cream yet. Maybe I have. I don't know. It looks like it's going to be like a blue tint inside. Kind of cooling on the skin. I kind of like that. Okay, so this will definitely go in my skincare area, drawer, whatever. And we'll try that out. That does look like it could be good for summertime as well. So I'll probably hold this off for the summertime, but looks nice. The final item we have is a full-size item, which I am not mad about, and I did get the one that I wanted. I guess you could have picked this month out of like 3 or 4 different Tarte mascaras, and I didn't even know that, but anyways, they gave me the one that I wanted. So this is the Tarte High Performance Naturals in the Gifted mascara, and it is black. So this one is my favorite one. I did include this in my favorites of 2019. I love this mascara, you guys. Oh, and I love that it's like bamboo packaging. It is just a gorgeous mascara. It goes on your lashes so nicely and evenly. It's everything I love about a mascara. It lengthens, it volumizes, it doesn't flake off, it doesn't just like rub off. It's such a nice mascara. So I'm really, really happy to get a full size of that. So not mad at that at all. Okay guys, and that was everything that I got in this box. Like I said, this does include prices, but it does unfortunately include prices of the full-size items. So a lot of these I can't, you know, test out for you. So okay, so the other one, you could have gotten the Lights Camera Lashes or the Gifted, and I actually love both of those, so they give you the two options there. Maybe I was wrong about that, I don't know. Maybe I'm making up stuff. Okay, and then, oh, usually there's like two different options, but I guess that was the only option that was different in this box this month. So I'm actually super excited about this box. I think that this box was a great one. It had a lot of variety in it, although it didn't have any makeup in it, which usually it's either like a mix of skincare and makeup. That's usually actually what it is. It is mostly skincare, which I'm not upset about, but we could have mixed it up a little bit there. That was the only thing that I found that was a little disappointing. A little bit more makeup, a little less skincare, although I do love my skincare. So anyways, that was it for my two boxes. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.